Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to configure IPsec site-to-site VPN between two Fortigate firewall. So friends, you can see this is my headquarter firewall and this is my branch firewall. So I will configure IPsec VPN between two firewall, HQ firewall and branch firewall. Okay, so you can see my headquarter firewall IP address WAN IP address is 192.168.1.101 and branch office firewall IP address is 1.102. Okay, both are connected to ISP, and you can see this is my headquarter network 10 dot, which we have to encrypt, which will be passed through VPN domain. Okay, and this is my branch office firewall network. Okay, branch office firewall network is 20.1.1.1.0/24. So we will put this network in encryption domain. Okay, VPN domain. So friends, you can see this is my HQ firewall interfaces here. Port 1 is configured as a LAN. Okay, port 3 is configured as a WAN interface. Okay, IP address 1.101, LAN IP address 1.1. Okay, now friends, you can see this is my branch office firewall. Okay, branch office firewall, and branch office firewall IP when LAN IP is this will be port 1 is LAN. Okay, port 3 is WAN. Okay, branch office LAN IP is 20.1.1.1 and WAN 1.102. Okay, so my default gateway is towards 1.101. Okay, now friends, we have to configure here IPsec VPN. First we will configure IPsec VPN on headquarter firewall, this firewall. Okay, so you can see this is my headquarter firewall. Okay, now friends, you can see VPN here. Okay, VPN, click here and we have to click on IPsec tunnel. Okay, so we can create IPsec tunnel from here, or we can click here to IPsec wizard here. Okay, we can create from here, or we can select here and create new. Click on create new and then click on IPsec tunnel. Okay, now we have to provide name here, IPsec between HQ to branch. Okay, HQ to branch. Now we have to select site to site. Okay, no net between site. Okay, so friends, you can see remote firewall is also Fortigate, so we have to select Fortigate and then click on next. Okay, now click on next. Now friends, we have to provide here remote IP address. Okay, remote IP address is for headquarter firewall, remote IP is 192.168.1.102. Okay, 192.168.1.102. Okay, now we have to select outgoing interface. Outgoing interface is WAN 3. Okay, now provide here preset key. Here you have to remember preset key. So same preset key we have to configure on other firewall. Now click on next here. Now friends, we have to provide here local interface. Our local interface is LAN 1. Okay, then we have to select local subnet. You can see local subnet is 10.1.1.0. we can also add multiple subnet here. Okay, if you want to add. Okay, but right now I have only one subnet. Now friends, we have to provide here remote subnet. So remote subnet is 20.1.1.0. Okay, so 20.1.1.0/24. Now friends, click on next. Now friends, you can see summary here, object summary. Phase 1 is IPsec HQ branch. Local address group is IPsec HQ branch local. So friends, it will automatically create rule here from local to remote side. You can see in remote to local policy, it will create true rule automatically. Now click on create here. Now friends, IPsec VPN configured here. Now we go to tunnel. So friends, you can see IPsec tunnel is down because we have not configured other firewall, branch firewall. Okay, now friends, let's configure branch firewall. Okay, now friends, you can see this is my branch firewall. Okay, so now we will configure IPsec here. Go to VPN. Okay, now we can click here IPsec. Now we will click from IPsec wizard, select IPsec wizard. Now here provide here name branch to, okay, branch to HQ IPSec. Now we have to select site to site, okay. Then we have to select same remote device is Fortigate. Now click on next. Now remote IP address should be, so for branch office firewall remote IP is 1.101, okay, 1.101, 192.168.1.101. Now outgoing interface WAN. Now friends, same key we have to provide here which we have provided on headquarter firewall, okay. Now click on next. Now friends, we have to select local interface. Local interface is port 1, okay. You can see port 1, and our local IP 20.1.0. Now remote subnet, we have to select here remote subnet. So remote subnet is 10.1.0, 10.1.1.0/24. Now click on next. Now you can see it will our phase 1 interface branch to HQ IPSec, local address group branch to HQ local remote. Now it will also create two policy, local to remote, remote to local, okay. Now click on create. The VPN has been set up here, okay. Now let's go to IPSec tunnel. So it will take some time to up here actually. Now friends, go to headquarter firewall. Now headquarter firewall you can see, so it will be up in a while. Now friends you can see phase 1 is up and phase 2 is down here. So what we have to do, just click here. So you can see phase 1 is up and phase 2 down here. So we have to select this and we have to click here bring up, okay, phase 2 selector. So now you can see phase 2 is up here, and let's go to branch office, okay. So in branch firewall go to IPSec tunnel and you can see it's also up here, okay. Just click here. So you can see phase 1 is up and phase 2 is also up, means our IPSec VPN is successfully established here. So now we have to initiate traffic here. Now friends, we can initiate traffic from headquarter router to branch router, okay. So now let's click here to just let me enable debug IP ICMP, okay. So friends, I have enabled debug here. Now I will ping from headquarter R1 to branch R1, ping 20.1.1.10. Let me again ping 20.1.1.10. So you can see successfully pinging and traffic passing through IPSec VPN. Let me try from this end. Now friend, let's check here on firewall. So just refresh it, okay. Just refresh and click here. So you can see 1 KB means traffic, means friend traffic is passing through firewall here, okay. So let me again initiate traffic from, now friend, let me again initiate traffic from branch to headquarter. So let me click here debug IP ICMP. So now let me ping here from branch router to headquarter router, ping. So you can see traffic is coming to headquarter router. Let's check here on, just refresh it. So you can see we have incoming and outgoing data here, okay. So friends, in this video we have seen how to configure IPSec VPN between Fortigate firewall. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.